Good morning.
Wake up, kids! Oh!
I am still sleepy. 5 more minutes.
We are going to the beach!
Really?
That's amazing.
I'm ready now. Me too!
Take your hats.
Oh,
Bring water bottles.
I have my hat. I have my toy.
Lock the door.
let's go.
I sit by the window. No, me.
Share the seat.
Be nice.
Look at the road. So many cars. I see trees. Green everywhere.
The weather is nice.
Perfect day.
Play music.
Okay.
That was funny. Again.
Let's stop here. Quick break.
Quick break.
I'm hungry. Me too.
Time to go.
Time to go. Okay. I see water. The sea. Wow. So big.
We are here.
Panther, be careful.
The sand is soft. It feels nice. I love this place. Best day! Let's build a castle. Yes!
Work together.
Good job. And
Water is cold. But fun. Splash! Hey! Oh, wow! Let's go closer. Okay, but slowly.
stay safe.
Don't go too far.
Look, a shell. It's beautiful. Look, I will keep this. Me too. Catch me. Wait. Oops.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Look at that wave. It's big. We are wet. That was fun. Again. Let's run again. Okay.
Where is your bag? Oh no.
We left it there.
My things are inside. I'm scared.
What should we do?
Stay calm.
Let's think. Let's think.
I don't see it. Maybe the water took it. My toy is inside.
And your snacks.
We will search together.
Don't run.
Let's go slowly. Okay. Look there. No, not there.
Check near the waves.
Be careful.
It's not here. I feel sad.
It's okay.
We will try again. Excuse me. Did you see a bag? Yes? What color?
It's blue. Oh, with a small toy.
I saw a bag there. Really?
Really? Let's go!
Careful.
That's my bag. Thank you.
Good job, everyone.
Always watch your things.
Yes, I will. Me too. Me too.